Join me as I take on the challenge of building Web3 wealth fast in 2025. Let's see if I can turn my ideas into real gains. Web3 is revolutionizing the way we build wealth, and I'm excited to dive in and explore its potential. Understanding Web3 can be tough, especially with all the misinformation out there. People often get overwhelmed by the complexity of it all, from blockchain to cryptocurrency. Many are unsure where to start or how to separate fact from fiction. The lack of clear information makes it difficult for people to take that first step into Web3. Complexity is a major barrier, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of technical terms and jargon. Building wealth in Web3 involves various opportunities, including NFTs, decentralized finance, and crypto investments. NFTs, for instance, have opened up new avenues for creators to monetize their digital art. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, offers alternatives to traditional banking and investment options. Crypto investments such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown significant growth over the years. These areas are constantly evolving, providing new and exciting opportunities for wealth creation. To accelerate your wealth-building journey in Web3, it's essential to have the right strategies and tools. Success stories abound, from investors who made savvy moves in the crypto market to artists who sold their NFTs for hefty sums. These success stories often involve a combination of research, risk management, and a bit of luck. By learning from these examples and staying informed, you can increase your chances of success in Web3. Effective strategies include diversifying your investments, staying up to date with market trends, and being cautious of potential pitfalls. The key to building Web3 wealth fast is to stay informed and take action. Web3 has the potential to create wealth, and it's essential to take advantage of this potential by getting involved and staying committed. Let me know in the comments below what you think about building wealth in Web3, and don't forget to tune in to my next video for more insights and tips on navigating this exciting space.